Chicken is a great source of protein, but what if it's undercooked? Can puppies eat it safely, or is it a big risk? Let's find out. The answer is no. Undercooked chicken can contain harmful bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, which can make your puppy very sick. Even a small bite can lead to food poisoning, causing vomiting, diarrhea, and fever. Puppies have weaker immune systems, making them more vulnerable. If you want to feed your puppy chicken, make sure it's fully cooked, plain, and free of seasonings, bones, or skin. So, can puppies eat undercooked chicken? Absolutely not. Always cook it thoroughly to keep your pup safe. Want more puppy food tips? Like and subscribe for more.